Here, Jamaican dancehall, you hear? Who does sing? Batman Salo!
Give me one of them troops, so you give me a yard. Give me one of them troops.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. I don't know, respect to everyone who subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please like the video while you're watching. I'm asking, please. It helps my channel to grow. Today, we're going to be talking about Aidonia and Govana. Fuck Up Sons. Great performance. I want to check out the video, and after that, I'll give my take on it. And to all my viewers who don't know what this is a party in Jamaica. Check out the video.
Show them coffee. Out here. Punish down madness. A bad brother. Your celebs. One right for one, Matikino. Run this up. Run this up. Me say, one right for one, Matikino. When you touch on this today, me say, things get serious as I get bigger. But they just, you know. Yo, me and me dance, them I run up on the location. So me and them is a get picture. Hey, me and a program, I'm bust them in. Yeah, but if making a boy get the chance to get me off here, but be heard for me. Sons, tell them, me now. Your man, me not know. Loco. Loco. The girl, I'm screaming for me, please. Oh, the can't speak louder. You know more, tell you this, sir. They come on, tell me, you beg us on front. I think the way that tell them, I beg us up. Not man shy, but me beg you up. Level, you can't get in at the back cars. Car, yeah. Boy, up and down, honey, on me. Level, you know more, tell us how. Something me in. Me and all of me extend good. I'm going to say, my dad, extend good. All right, give me a second. Yo, let's off the light. Yo, boy, say all of the phone line them again. Represent for Aidonia. Tap down him, man. Tap with him. All right. Boy, see all of the phone like them. Say him, a champion. Yeah? Love them, my brother, you know it, but love them. Where's the alarm in my wheel, so? Where's the alarm in my wheel, so? Where's man, stay like a smiling to them. Yeah! Man, shining on the plants right now. Yeah! We start up the beam and hand drive out. Yeah! So me have to give down to the worst part. Every time we touch the plane, no one first class. Level.
I'm from in St. George's College, Mayor Park.
See? Cheer.
May I have a bad day?
No time.
May I have a kick off?
No time.
Eh?
No time.
You don't war over like, nothing like weed, not even weed and them sitting there with a war over.
Dog, no time, I didn't even remember that.
You know what me and you do?
Lie there.
Level again.
Level.
How would you say I beat the killer?
This fresh to Jamaica, yeah, you know.
Fresh for Jamaica, yeah?
You know it go.
We don't know where you be,
You know it go.
but we know where you not pay for it. I think name. No, little bit of money. No. Sons, pick up on yourself. Go for here.
Give me that dark phone there. Play that one there, Lalo. Play that one there, because I got dust. You know. You see it? I don't know a thing going on. You see the reason why I want to fool with there in the night, yeah? And my son's favorite color this year, isn't it? Yeah. Because you never see me in a full wear there. No. But I'm my son's favorite color this. You see it? Don't know what's a love Khalif in the dog. Because you're there, so watch over daddy in the dog. Yeah, but the more see everyone. More see everyone. Sing! Batman Salute! Sing. Play it again. You see it? Because here we are going. I just love for your music. I just love for your fans then. Because right now, I leave it for there, so dog. You see it? Because part of me die when my son died, dog. You hear? But I just love I want to make man there, so you hear? Jamaican dancehall, you hear? Who does sing? Batman Salute! Say, R.I.P. to a real killer. Real killer, real killer. Head hop. Scotchy and a sweet pepper. Make the gun beat like
From a beat maker.
so what me have to dead back. Feel me feel better. Mister, who no better fear than me dog? Hush love. Hush. People them know no dog. Cause here we are going now dog. You see the dance hall brother. Too much division umbre. A unity alone can build back this. A unity alone can build back this. Mosey and them, tell them. Nothing bad my people can't stress me. Hush. All a good pussy girl them scream. Hey girl, back up your bumper. Oh no, boy, I'm gonna pussy not tight so. Mr. All a good pussy girl them scream. Alright then. Your body full of cream. Your mother body, black it green. Me set up on your neck in the bed and make it green. Me love it when you back the cocky they go see. Put it up in the back as for your body with your teeth. Squeeze the purpose and then the whisper with your lips. Tell your body hot up on your cut up on your Sugar. Oh, now we start move round now. We have to start move round now. You turn back way. Please. And you two of you that fuck cannot call. And you two of you that fuck cannot call. And you two of you that fuck cannot call. You know to die, punani. Fuck it over the time that we put on it. So me sweet the child of that should off it. Don't back way. Take up time to the farm, be short to glass. Yeah, you can make it flop like the wall. What's it with the light, the bar, the darling. Talk back way. What is it? Girl, you are the one. Your body hot so you level. I do just in time for something. I got trouble right now. I got trouble you. See? Cause the boss say you're the one. I want piece of ring. I want piece of wedding life. I must see England. But more love, more blessings. See? And the boss said we could sing. Black the intro for you. Hey, alright then. Who does it? Girl, you are the one. Oh, baby, baby. You cock it up, girl, ride the sturdy hand. You back it up and it on the journey long. You pussy tight, girl. You pussy tight, girl. You pussy tight. Oh, you're tight, eh? You love it, you love it. You got me wifey. So set it up now. Yo, busy. I know 6:30 because you're back in our bed. Next. Level. Let me tell you this lady. He said if you not fuck for all man. Boring fuck now go nowhere. Boring girl now go nowhere. Last said that. When you flip on the copy and broke it. When you jump on the dresser and climb up and jump and broke it. You know the thing, alright? No man, no more. No boring girl. Boring girl. Me say you can't. Boring girl. And you see my girl, me say she can't scream down. You know me running back to where you are. Cock up your foot and you are body double. You know me play with the cocky, get it body double. You know me sit down you are. If you wipe on it and you are. Me say you type on it and you are. Me say so the ass him coming up and you are body double. Yo, she make up. Ladies, you know it go. Level. I see in the area. I'm mad, my bum buckler too. You hear that? Now go show dance all who Aidonia is. Cause for all I work I put in, whole heap of bum buckler daughters out there. And from 2005 my boss, you know. And 2000 bum buckler 23 this, you know. Some man boss 1 month. Some man boss 6 months. Some man boss 1 year. 2005. Boss y'all like bum buckler on them. Turn around for the thing now. Listen me. No boy no bad like we. We don't smart to do bumper club badness. Musically, physically, lyrically, any bumper club cali. One to them. Yo, watch it make way squeeze. Reload. Beat it up. Reload. Watch it make way squeeze. Level. Big up a legend there. Big up Shabba. Big up Bojo. Big up Sizzler, big up Capital. Big up Beanie Man. Big up Bumbuckler, Bounty Killer. I see we don't have Bounty Killer. You don't have Aidonia. You don't have my father. You don't have 5 Star. You don't have Scare Them Crow. You know holy for you. All of who are born together, I want to see you on them in the ear. I see all of me up on my ready night, yeah? Even I walk on 9 full block. Classes are not laugh and say cross. Sons, we come from them, this we don't want to know how. We send for the content. Level. We come from uptown. Readiness Road. Mr. Big up 100 Lane, Mr. Big up Park Lane, Mr. Big up Common, Mr. Big up Jackson, Akiwa, Mr. Big up Cassava Piece, Mr. Big up Grandsford, Mr. Big up Glen Drive, Mr. Big up Big Yard. Me come from uptown, but check anywhere in 14 parish. Ask for Bumbleclaw, Aidonia. Tell everybody anywhere, uptown on my road. Them know me love DJ now. Cause me love show them sell them can DJ like Aidonia. Level. I want to leave a pussy in our business, you know. But me leave it to watch that. Cause we are clean out, yo. You hear that? All if I want to dig me up, me will dig them up. Cause I see that area, a unit thing I go build about dancer. Afro fucking beat is killing dancer. Internationally. They got Burna Boy and they are what they show shell. But a unity we are dealing with. Mr. Big up Shaggy, Mr. Big up PJ, Mr. Big up Govana, Lali, Chichi, Maya, Chashi, Quada, Kemar Icon, and the list goes on and on. But if you want you say lyrics, listen, no boy can't box me panda, try ya, one to them. Level. What do I hear? Lord even? Level. Sweet clap one of your head and the one of your head is bigger than a disorder. Them dead because of them this the laws. Magical and diablo. No funny man like Shiva that can't cross the border. Hard a disaster. Shot by them. Chihuahua. Bust head with the 4 revolver. Barrel spin like wheel pan fit off a target. Shoot off a minute. Miss off a clap with everybody. Your head get licked off. Chop. Pan the plaza. Kill people at night time. But I rather like killing. We rather me the walk with them. The gun mag down shot. Don't tell John for the rifle. The golfer. Him. In the AK cup with the telescope on top. But we can't see far. Some boy they on them heads. 6 them not afraid like Ethan. Walk catch them when them appear that me know right on the front pan the corner. Catch him and build up a stick from a river. And me only kick him like it's a gorilla and a mask. We try them like we are the show them. We call like pull up love. Eh? What him say? Yeah, play that one day. Yeah. Oh, yes, a while ago. CD. Big up, you know. I say I heard here. I'm on thing. But right now, I'm going to turn the opinion a little bit. Play the rhythm. I'm going to just turn the opinion just. You know? You see it? Yeah. Play it out. No pussy test. No time. I will not have to push violence, you know? Okay.
Yeah. The guy that don't think about it. And no can. Bitch, let me switch it up a little bit. Just a little bit.
Nine pussy girls them next. I want to tap if I want to select a don't fuck up, you know you want to space there. Dig up yourself, Govana, you know I want to strike forth. Bitch, let me switch it up a little bit. Just a little bit, money down. If you want your nails to call me, if you want we gonna call me, you know what I'm saying? The girl 1 million, that little bit for. And them girl a boom bam body and jiggle it. My girl scream up, really rich, just spent 3 million. Level in my father, I'm chat to them, did it? Yeah, real you, this is me. I'm in a walking bank. Nova Scotia, pocket full of money and me ring full of wobia. Runny road poster, and smoker. Give me next one, the father bad. You know, I want bunch class space down, you know. Go with yourself, you know, Diddy, you know, it's in the go. Another more, give me next one now. Hey, selector, don't fuck up, you know. Yeah. Hey, stand big up on yourself, you know. Over here, so. Over there, so. One place me represent for the Spanish town, you know. Father skate, big up yourself, you know. You know about tough class, you know, go. Yeah, Spain town they beat them bad, so we whip them. Line up the bang of phone. They run booties, so we mix them right. We clip them, let's go in. Me get y'all trick them, fuck them, skip them. Along body man, dip them, grab up your things, them turn and twist them. 9 months later, them bumbo class, if you don't make money, you don't live them. And when me meet big bimmer with the big bed, and the killer door, they them know me a bad artist, you know, my father. Hey, me I tell you. And you say to do it. Bobby says to do it. You all like 10 of them say to do it. So you know how to with them. And me with them till them sick. Say them a go back stand down bandit. Police take when me bang a phone dog. But me just buy 2 more dog.
Pull up, Lalo. Come in there overdo it, because them say they want some more tune to play. I'm going to sing one more song and come off by stage. And go out with a vibe, because you know what thing go. But I say before me come off by stage. Where she go? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Eh? Watch out now. Because you have to make you smile, because you know smile for what you know. So you have to put a smile on your face, you know. Because you're a warrior, you know. Because from 2019 till now, no people didn't even know where I got through. And you're holding down on the phone, enough time to care to dead. Here and at me, not see my son, and you dead. With him and hold it out, you see me? So I have to put a smile on your face. I'm wanting to big up she, because she's a real girl. She's a real empress. She's a real queen. Yeah, you have to smile, you have to laugh. You see me, because we lose the son and everything, but we're going to overcome, you know. Jamaica love you, the people love you, God love you, family love you, our friends love you. You hear that? So we're going to overcome, so let's go on. You know one thing, go. You see, give me one of them troops, so you give me a yard. Give me one of them troops. Alright. Play the next one then. But that was Sheldon. That's how. It's a lot even though I did this now. It's a big up Sons, you know. We have to big up your whole like crew, you know. Because Sons family are family. You hear that? Before we come off our stage, I can just beg you, please. I can be decent and respectful. Everybody over here, so please, me I beg you, just hold up on the answer. Round here, so please, me I beg you, hold up on the answer. Round here, so the same thing, hold up on the answer. Round here, so hold up on the answer. Round here, so hold up on the answer. Who want to start up this guy, so now? Who want to start up this guy, so now? Hey! We're bad, man! Roll up on the street, maybe no me no. I'm going to forward out yourself. You have to forward out. What you do? What you do? The people are ready. So me go sing a song. You gotta sing too. We're bad man. Roll up on the street guy now. It's empty. I'm gonna put it in this clip for ya.
If you reach this far in the video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And also, if you haven't liked the video, please like the video. And thank you all for watching. Okay, great performance by Aidonia. You get me? I say and Govana, see me, and the new artist for Aidonia call out. You see me? And to my eyesight, I don't know Aidonia look like he might go take back over the place, people. Me, I'll be honest with you. You see me? The energy and where the fans them show Aidonia, it look like say Aidonia I got take back over the place. Leave it in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion. You see me? I say, because no opinion matters, you know.